Have you ever pondered the potential of the digital world to generate a steady income? Today, we're diving into 10 simple yet effective ways to make money online. First on our list is freelance writing. As the digital world expands, so does the need for quality content. Freelance writing offers a flexible way to earn money from the comfort of your home. To start, all you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a knack for stringing words together. Potential earnings vary widely, but with dedication, you can make a substantial income. Next up, selling products on e-commerce platforms. Do you have a product to sell? Websites like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy provide a platform for you to reach a global audience. The key to success here is finding a niche product, setting a reasonable price, and marketing effectively. Thirdly, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your website or social media platform and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. It requires little to no investment and can generate passive income over time. Our fourth method is creating online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, why not share it with the world? Websites like Udemy or Coursera allow you to create and sell courses on a wide range of subjects. Your earnings here depend on the price of your course and the number of students enrolled. Moving on to stock photography. If you have an eye for photography, selling your photos online can be a lucrative venture. Websites like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto allow you to upload your photos and earn a commission each time they are downloaded. Next, we have virtual tutoring. With the rise of online learning, virtual tutoring has become an increasingly popular way to make money online. Whether it's math, English, or a musical instrument, you can teach a variety of subjects from the comfort of your home. Our seventh method is social media management. Many businesses seek professionals to manage their social media accounts. If you're savvy with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Coming up eighth is app development. If you have a unique idea for an app and the technical skills to build it, this can be a highly profitable venture. You can earn money through app sales, in-app purchases, or advertisements. Ninth on our list is online surveys. While this may not make you a millionaire, it's a simple way to earn a little extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie pay you for your opinion on a variety of topics. Lastly, we have blogging. If you're passionate about a particular topic, why not start a blog? While it may take time to build an audience, successful bloggers can make money through advertising, sponsored posts, and product reviews. In conclusion, the digital world offers a myriad of opportunities to make money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new career, these 10 methods provide a starting point for your online money-making journey. So, why wait? Start exploring these opportunities today. Like and subscribe for more content. Use the link below to access many affordable and quality products. Thanks you.